I didn't see you there. So in our project, we set out to find the distance between 2 points on the Earth.
To do so, we'll use longitude and latitude. With those points, we'll create an equation, and this equation will show us the distance between those 2 points.
Since we are using latitude and longitude, we will use the variable theta for latitude and phi for longitude. We then found the equations for converting longitude and latitude into Cartesian form, which are x of theta comma phi equals negative 3,959 cosine theta times cosine phi. Y of theta comma phi equals 3,959 sine theta. Z of theta comma phi equals 3,959 cosine theta times sine phi. We then need the derivatives of these equations, which are x prime of theta comma phi equals 3,959 cosine theta times sine phi, plus 3,959 sine theta times cosine phi. Y prime of theta comma phi equals 3,959 cosine theta. Z prime of theta comma phi equals 3,959 cosine theta times cosine phi minus 3,959 sine theta times sine phi. The interval for our integral for latitude will be from a to b, and for longitude it will be from c to d. We then use the three-dimensional arc length formula to create our formula, which is integral c to d of integral a to b square root of x prime of theta comma phi squared plus y prime of theta comma phi squared plus z prime of theta comma phi squared d theta d phi. We had to use a double integral to take into account the two variables.
Our next step is to test the equations we've created. To do this, we chose 2 locations. The first location, Atlanta, Georgia. The second location, New York City. After researching, we found that Atlanta's longitude is negative 84.386 degrees, and its latitude is 33.7537 degrees. We found that New York City's longitude is negative 73.935 degrees, and its latitude is 40.7306 degrees. With these points, we were able to plug the numbers into our equation to test it. After plugging them in, the calculated distance between Atlanta and New York City is 351,266 miles. To verify, we researched the actual distance. The actual distance is approximately 762 miles.
Oh, you again. So, we messed up.
Now what we want to do is figure out why we messed up. Tell us. Oh, you're back. So, we have a challenge for you.
We couldn't figure out how to fix our problem, so now it's up to you.